Hello artists and welcome to Collage Level A. Let's get started. In front of me, I have an experiment page and I need to get my name put on the top. And then I need to circle Collage Center. Collage is cutting and gluing things together. So I'm circling those scissors and glue. And then I need to put an A by it. All right, now I need to set up my paper. I need to put a 1 at the top. And then I need to divide my paper by drawing a line and put a 2 at the bottom. Let's see what we're learning today. It says, I can take care of art supplies. I can draw and cut shapes using tracers. And I can use the glue correctly. All right, so let's take a look at what this looks like. First, I'm going to experiment. I'm just trying things out. Now, to take care of my art supplies, when I go to the Collage Center, I need 3 sizes of paper. They can be any color, but I have all these pretty bins over there. I have small ones, medium ones, and large papers. You get to take 3. 1 small, 1 medium, 1 large. They can be any color you want. So I have a large yellow, a medium purple, and a small green. All right, now that I have my papers, I will also need some scissors and glue. And then I'm going to start getting out some of my tracers, these fun shapes, to make shapes. I need to always draw with pencil first. I'm going to want to put my trace shaper in the middle of my paper, but if I put it in the middle, I won't have any room for other shapes. So I'm going to put it in the corner on the side here. I'm going to take my pencil. I have to hold down my trace shaper tight so it doesn't go anywhere. Hold my pencil along the edge and trace, 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 trace. I keep it along the edge. When I'm using scissors, I need to make sure that my thumb goes in the small hole up top. My fingers go in the finger hole on the bottom. Thumb always goes up. Thumb is up. Thumb is up. When I go to cut, I need to cut on my line. I need to try my best not to leave my line. Look how I can turn my paper with one hand and cut with my other hand. There we go. I stayed on my lines. All right, now I need to glue it down. I am going to need to open my glue by pinching the top and twisting. Look, that white part on top, it disappeared, and there's a gap. Now listen, it's breathing. This is how I know my glue is ready to go and it's going to work. Now, I might want to hold my glue with 2 hands, but I don't need to do that. I only need 1 hand. I'm going to put my finger down so that my paper doesn't move. And I'm going to use tiny, itsy bitsy baby dots of glue all around the outside. I'm not going to do it in the middle. I'm going to use them on the outside so my paper stays down. Then I can glue it right on my paper. Let's do that one more time with a different shape. Let's do a circle. I'm going to take another piece of paper. This one's too big. It doesn't quite fit. Ooh, I think I'm going to do a smaller one. Again, put it on the side, not in the middle. Hold it tight and trace around. Hold it tight and trace around. Thumb in the thumb hole, fingers in the finger hole. Thumb up, thumb up. Then cut, cut, cut. Look how I'm moving my paper with my fingers while I'm cutting. I'm moving it around so that I can stay on my line as best I can. All right. Again, tiny itsy bitsy baby dots of glue. I'm going to hold my finger in the middle. Tiny itsy bitsy baby dots of glue. My paper's not moving and my glue's not everywhere. Then again, turn it over, flip it up. All right, when you have a few shapes on your paper and you've practiced your cutting and gluing skills, and then we're going to move on to mini art. Mini art is when you get to make anything you want out of what we're doing. So we're cutting and gluing papers. Mrs. Nichols here, she has a circle that she's already cut out, and I think I might make a kitty cat. So again, I would glue down my things, I would cut out my things, and I would glue them down on my paper, right like that. So I'm going to do that real fast here. Movie magic time. All right, I got these glued down in our movie magic time, and I have one more piece I wanted to glue down. Again, my tiny itty bitty baby dots of glue. I don't need that much. One for each corner of this very small triangle. And I am going to go ahead and get this glued down. All right, once I have this glued down, then I can add other things maybe with my pencil, like maybe the eyes. And remember, I don't have to do a kitty cat. I can do anything I want. Ooh, this is actually starting to look like an owl to me. It's not looking like a kitty cat. I think I'm going to add bushy eyebrows for an owl. Bigger eyes. There we go. All right. When I'm done, if I have big scraps like this, I could put them in the green recycle bin so that other people can use them. Look, there's a lot of space here. But other scraps like these no one's really able to use them again. I need to throw those in the trash can. Happy creating!